In this segment, we're going to be presenting the Littman Nurit 8000 machine. This is a GPRS machine. It functions wirelessly off of an AT&T SIM card, so it can function wherever AT&T functions. By the time you receive this machine, it should be programmed for your company already. So you would basically just turn on your machine at the on-off key, swipe your card at credit sale account. If this was a debit processing machine, you would have debit on the enter side, and menu for the credit side. You would enter your amount, press enter. So it's going to start processing. It should say processing, sending, receiving, and you should get your authorization number. And there we go. Should be going through right now. The first copy that'll come out is the merchant copy, and the second copy should be the customer copy. And there we go. That's what we have. If the card was unreadable and you wanted to enter it, you would start from credit sale account and just simply enter the card number. This machine is relatively easy to use. It'll ask you for your expiration date and then your amount. Is the card present? We're going to say in this case yes. The CVV, it would ask you for that security code, which is the 3 or 4 digits on the back of your card. And that's just for your protection. Then it would ask you for the zip code associated with the account to make sure that these are all safety precautions to make sure that there's no fraud, or to reduce the possibility of fraud as much as possible. So we're getting our authorization through this. And then if we wanted to do a refund on this sale, we could probably go to return, and you would go and scroll through that with your orange arrow keys to the right of the machine. The return would occur, and we'll just swipe our card, enter the amount that we want to return to that card, and it approved it. So that has been approved. So if there are different kind of reports that you might want to print. Maybe you want to print the report to let you know what's been processed that day without having to do your settlement. So you would press the blue F key to the left of the machine under the on-off key. You go to report, which is number 1. The password is always going to be the current date on the terminal. So in this case, our machine says September 6th, and we're in the year 2010. So it would go as 09062010. Press enter, and it's going to give you that report, and it'll truncate the report, and it'll give you all the transactions that have been done as of yet. Then from there, if you wanted to get your audit, your settlement for the end of the day, you also press the F key, press 2 for batch, press 1 for close batch, and it's going to start processing that batch. And at the end of it processing, it's also going to have, batch successful. It'll let you know that everything's been closed for that day. And that's how your money remits back to the bank. So it's very important that it's done on a daily basis. Also, auto close can be set to your account. And the close is 3 cents. Alright. So basically, those are the basic functions of this machine. There's a lot of different functionality on it. You can enable it to be able to sign on the page, on the actual screen. There's a stylus that comes with the machine. So those are the basic functions of the Nurit 8000. Thank you so. Oh, also to turn off this machine, you would press the on/off button and the F key at the same time.